Hello everyone, this is Haxorico from Warcraft3edit.net, and I am here to show you how to make a cheat pack. It will be a series of guides because making a cheat pack is a lot of work, and this is part 1, and we will be making the body. We will not make we won't get a lot of coding done, but it will primarily be the body. We will get it done, and we will define the cheat pack. As you can see, I've written some definitions over here. It will be a string type of cheat pack, means you get a red commands like gold, etc. Unlike other cheat packs which demand you to press escape and then you have a menu like SGGuy's cheat menu. The activation type will have a string activator and name activator. Case sensitive is false. We can use gold or just gold if we want to. It will not be case sensitive like most cheat packs out there at the moment. Okay, so first of all, let's start with a simple template, which means we gotta get to the first part, which is globals. All our global variables go inside this space over here. The end globals part, as I like to call it, is where all our functions will be. All the functions we will have will be over here, and of course the function main part will be over here. Turns nothing and function. Now I like to make the function main as short as possible, and by making it short I mean one line only, and by initiating it somewhere else. So let's make a call cp initialize. That's one less part to worry about. So we only have the global variables, which are held right here. We currently don't have any, and we have the functions that we will now write. So the first function will be cp initializing. It takes no variables, it doesn't return a variable, and it ends right here. Now the way we will make the cheat pack, this is only the body. We will not be making a lot of coding. It will be a very short guide. We have the events over here. We will have let's make a variable over here. I'll do it next time. We have the events over here. Trigger events down here. Over here we can initialize the variables down here, and then of course we will have the function the trigger goes to when it is triggered, of course. Also it's called the action. Every time the event is being triggered, we go to a certain function, and I will show you how it works in a little bit. Let's make a trigger, because we are using a string type of cheat pack, so it will be, let's call it string trigger, and let's create it. We will not add the events yet, but we will add the following: call trigger add action. Of course the trigger is cp string trigger, and the function is cp. Let's make it string action, just to make it clear. Okay, so every time a player is going to write any command, anything, any message whatsoever, we don't care what the message is, as long as he writes it, we will go to a certain function, and this function is called cp string action. Hold on. The function and variable names are still case sensitive. That is because we can't change it. That's the way it just works. Also, we want to have the name activator run. Hold on. Over here. So we already have this. And when a player is writing something, we want to have the following information. If is player cheating, and we will give it a get trigger, get player ID, get trigger, player. Okay, we will make a function is player cheating takes an integer variable which will be the player ID, PID, and it will return a boolean, either it's cheating or not. Very simple. And if he is cheating, okay, if this is true, we will need to call the cheat commands. Cheat commands. Of course, we will need to give it the CP, the player ID, get player ID, get trigger player, and that's about it. But if he's not cheating, what we need to check is call CP check string activator, or we can just call it string activator. It can be very simple, and that's gonna be it. Of course, let's give it now. It can take all the information back there. Okay, and that's all we need. So let's look at it again. Every time a player is gonna write something, we go to this function. If a player is cheating, if he is player cheating or player is cheating, you can write it any way you want. Oh, I forgot to add this. Of course, sorry. If is player cheating, this player of course, then it will call the cheat commands. Let's make this function cp cheat commands takes, actually, you know what, we can make it take nothing. We don't need to take anything. It can be simple as that. Yeah, so simple. So if he is cheating, let's check which command he's using, if any. And if he's not cheating, well, maybe he just activated cheats. That will be a possibility. Now also, we want to have the check name activator function, which we will have right here. Let's call cp check name activator. So delete this tiny space here and make it right here. Function cp check player name activator Vator. Of course, takes nothing, returns nothing. Function, and of course we have this, which is check string activator. Function takes nothing, returns thing, and function. Now you can see this is only the body. When the map initializes, all the trigger events will go right here. All the variables initial values will be right here, and the name activator will run. It will check the name activator. That's pretty simple. That's all we need in the initialization. And of course, we tell the trigger that each time it will be triggered, you go to this function. You operate this code. As simple as that. Every time he will write anything, you will go here. So that means if he wrote anything, it will check if it's cheating. If he did, we get the commands. If he's not, it will check if he is now activating cheats. Very simple, very basic. We didn't do a lot of coding at the moment, but that is only the body. Thank you guys for watching part 1 of my tutorial on how to make a cheat pack, and I will see you next time on part 2 when we actually make some coding. Goodbye.